Today was a big day, huge day here at Kaplan Cycles, and it's only Monday, and I got to ride all 11 of these world-class bikes right here, starting with the Honda Easy Cub 90. You'd be surprised how fast that is, and what a cool piece. Is it a jet ski? Is it a mini bike? Is it a snow bike? It's a little bit of everything, and it's a cult classic. Next up is a 1981 XR80. That's the original factory paint on the tank. Everything else is repainted, but I left the tank paint with a little patina on it because it's unheard of to find a 45-year-old mini bike with a steel tank that's not dented in original paint. Other than that, frame up resto on that one. Then we got a brand new Honda Monkey with 380 miles on it for substantially less than you could buy a brand new one at the dealer. That one's going to be gone in a New York second. Then we've got a, pardon the interruption, but I got some great news for you. This is a brand new lineup of 2027 Aprilia RSs, and we're giving one of these away. So if you're lucky enough to go on to www.kaplancycles.com and buy a ticket, the chances are pretty damn good you might win this bike. This is the 27 Aprilia RS 457. Tons of videos on our channel about this. It's the #1 lightweight sport bike. It won every shootout for the last 3 years since it came out. Spectacular piece, and ours is going to be pimped out with the Kaplan Cycles racing livery, pipe, and everything else. Go buy a ticket. Probably the best wheelie machine that I could think of, a TT350 with a super trap pipe on it, and super fun 4-stroke single cylinder. Then we've got a Rockstar Energy Pitster Pro 160 with a Nibby carb on it. This thing's nasty, hauls ass. It sounds like, when you hear it, it doesn't make sense. You expect to see a 250 factory bike, and then you look and it's a mini. It's the ultimate pit bike. And then this should need no introduction. This is our raffle bike. We're on stage 3 on this one. We just put the quick shifter on it today. The Puig black windshield, the integrated turn signals. Check out the turn signals on this. This is by far the best bike you can possibly get on the market today for under $7 grand. $68.49 gets you the RS. $65.49 buys you the Toronto version, which has taller bars and a small windshield on it. So this one's loaded with extras, and we're raffling it off at kaplancycles.com. Go get your ticket today, $10. It's got the gold chain on, the black sprocket. It's got the titanium sprocket mount bolts. It's got the closed racing titanium SC Project pipe. It's got the Gabbro up tune on it. It's got the NDA high flow air filter package on it. It's got the Solo saddle, which looks like little wings on it on the side here. And it just looks badass. It sounds badass. We're not done. I said we're on stage 3. We got a couple more stages to go, but you got to buy yourself a ticket. Now this right here, this is kind of like this is unobtainium. It's a 100% original 1980 CR250R. Original everything. Tires, chains and sprockets, plastics, graphics, bars. Everything's original on this bike. And there's never been a paintbrush anywhere to this bike. Why? Well, we've never got one in that was this clean before restoration. So we wanted to offer up in original condition. Some collectors want them original. This is 100% original right down to the tires. All these bikes are up on Instagram by now. And then we've got the Kaplan Cycles Cross Country Works Edition, brand new 2025 EX250 6-speed electric start monster here loaded with upgrades. This one has FMF exhaust, factory edition seat cover, full Steiger Designs Cross Country Works Editions, graphics on here, black rims. That was an upgrade from the stock silvers, ODI grips, FMF exhaust, gold chain, basically brand new condition with 12 hours on it. Then we got this KE 175. What's happening, fellas? Hey, my media guy just printed this off today, and much to my dismay, 83% of the people watching the channel are not subscribed, only 16.7. And we also got over a dozen emails from subscribers saying they were magically unsubscribed from the channel. So we're not sure how that's happening, but do me a favor, just check and see if you are subscribed. It's a button right down there. Just hit the subscribe button. It's very easy to do. You don't have to fill anything out. Just hit the button. Maybe you hit it inadvertently with your finger and unsubscribe, but it helps us grow the channel. I promise to you, you guys subscribe. I'll keep giving you the best free content on classic motorcycles I can possibly come up with. I spent the last 15 years of my life doing this 364.5 days a year. And that's all I ask. It's free, and it would help us grow the channel. So we got a deal. You guys subscribe, and I'll keep pumping out the great content for you. Thanks for watching, and God bless America. with KE 125 with 1,875 original miles. We purchased it from the original owner, gave it a full rotisserie detail and a full cosmetic and mechanical going through. But that's original paint on the tank, all original cycle parts on that. Then we've got the nicest TY250 we've ever had. 148 original miles. This was a mint original, purchased from the original owner. The frame paint wasn't perfect, so we took it right. It was taken right down to the frame. The frame was repainted. The aluminum was polished. Every nut and bolt on this is original. Right down to the tires, chains, and sprockets. Everything's original, and everything works beautifully. Here's another frame off restoration. We just completed 66.5 hours of shop labor on this one, which is about 9,500 in labor to do a full frame up resto. New DG pipe and silencer, new piston and rings, new reed valves, carbs rebuilt, new air filter. Engine's totally been gone through. New chains and sprockets, tires, plastics, graphics, everything is done. You're gonna have to watch the YouTube video for full details. This one's going up on auction on eBay. Unless you want to snipe one of these beauties and call Junior today at 860-471-0192. And hey, and if you can't afford to buy a bike, the best deal is buy a ticket to win this free giveaway out here. This Aprilia RS 457, brand new 2027. Now, if you want a win-win, you can buy a t-shirt for 35 bucks. Kaplan Cycles t-shirt includes 2 tickets. So even if you don't win, you won, you got the t-shirt. So go to kaplancycles.com or put in your order today. So if you have any questions about any of these bikes, they're all going up for sale. They'll all have full-length YouTube videos describing everything that's been done to them and the whole history of each bike. But just want to give you a snapshot of what my Monday looks like. I definitely have the best job in the world. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.